Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I want to talk to you more about these deep dive videos that I've been doing on GSFs that pop up for sale. And so far the feedback has been very well received, and I just wanted to seek out and see if there's anything else I can do on my end that will further help you out for shopping or common issues or anything like that. I'm trying to do as much as I can, and these pop up in spurts where these pop up for sale. It seems like, you know, there may be 4 or 5 that pop up in a single day. Sometimes I'll go a couple days without it, but I try to film my deep dive videos as soon as I can, and then I'll just edit them and put them in line with everything else. But I want to see what can I do differently to further help these deep dive videos. What else do you guys want to see? Or is this the way I'm doing it? Are you guys happy with it? I would love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments. But I have a pretty standard format that I've been trying to stick to, and it's talking about the car, introducing it, talking about the production statistics, then talking about the damage history, the number of owners, things like that. Then the service history, the pictures, looking at them, using your my eyes, looking through them. I talk about my opinion on whether or not I would buy it and whether you should go check it out or not, or if it's one that you should run away from. I think as these cars age, there's going to be more and more of these cars that are like total basket cases. And you've seen a few of them if you've watched some of these videos. I think I've done 25 of these now, and there's been 4 or 5 of them that are just absolute nightmares. And not to say there's anything wrong with that, but if you can get them cheap enough, then some of that stuff doesn't matter. And so there's been a few instances like that. You know, there's ones with 135,000 miles for $35,000. Yeah, that can have a whole lot wrong with it, and it's still a really good value. And it's like just a little bit more expensive than a rebuilt title car in this market. Rebuilt title car is $28,000 to $32,000. That car's $35,000. You know, things like that. Do you want me to look at these cars with like a collector mindset or a driver's mindset? You know, what's the mindset you want me to look at when I'm going through these cars? Now, I kind of have some of both because, you know, I do have one of the rarer cars, and it is clean title, no accident, but I also am looking for another one that I can jump in and drive and not care about the value or the miles. So that's like that. I was really interested in that one that had 130-something thousand miles for $35,000 because it's pretty much depreciated at this point. And so you can just drive it, go enjoy it. And I think that if I can find another one like that that's not black, my wife doesn't want a black car. And we live in Texas where there's pollen and dust and everything else to deal with. It's another reason I don't want a black car. And I used to be a detailer, so that's another thing. I guess moving forward, just let me know if there's something I can do different to help you out for those of you that are shopping for a GSF, or something that I'm overlooking. You know, I try to cover all the bases, but let me know. So thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.